Aaron Burton, Product Manager for Lowrance, and today we're really excited to show you the all-new Recon trolling motor. Today we'll be going over some of the features that are going to help put more fish in the boat. The Recon's all about control. We wanted to really improve the way you interact with the trolling motor. And one way we did that is with the all-new FreeSteer joystick remote. The FreeSteer remote is an industry-first joystick remote that offers full 360-degree control. The FreeSteer remote is jam-packed full of features such as a 2-inch transflective LCD display, 360-degree control with your joystick. It's got backlit keys as well as 2 programmable keys on the back. What's really cool about the FreeSteer remote is that it offers multiple ways of controlling the trolling motor. You can use the joystick just like a traditional keypad remote by making short movements to the left or right, or pressing and holding, and it's going to continue to spin around. Or you have full 360-degree control just by pressing in any direction. So to enable the 360-degree FreeSteer control, all you're going to do is press the joystick outside of this X-axis, and then you have full steering control. What's really cool with the joystick is our ability to FreeSteer jog. So when anchored, you can slowly press in any direction. You'll begin to see your speed slowly ramp up. The further you press, the more the prop is going to ramp up. Whenever you get close to your new location you want to anchor at, you're just going to back off on the joystick a little bit. You'll see your speed slow down. As soon as I release that joystick, that is my new anchor location. We all know how important GPS anchoring is, and we spend a lot of time refining our algorithm to give you the most precision control on the market. With the Recon, you're going to get industry best GPS anchoring, where it's going to hold your boat in a 3-foot radius. Not only is the anchoring going to be extremely accurate when you're in high winds, but it was also really important for us to refine the algorithm to hold your boat still when you're in absolutely no wind at all. And that's what I feel sets us apart from some of the other competitors in the market. At the heart of the Recon is our all-new brushless motor that we built from the ground up. What this means is you're going to have plenty of power to control the boat in any situation, as well as efficiency to keep you on the water all day. Another cool feature of our brushless motor are our accessory mounting points. The accessory mounting points will allow you to mount your ActiveTarget brackets directly to the motor, eliminating the need for hose clamps. Along with what you've seen on our Ghost trolling motor, we also have the patented interchangeable nose cone system. This is going to allow you to upgrade to our 3-in-1 active imaging nose cone and swap out that transducer in a matter of minutes. On our brushless motor, you'll also see our all-new 2-blade Weedless propeller. We've improved this design by taking the blade and matching it up as close to the hub as possible. This eliminates weeds from catching at the front of the prop. To handle the power, we've got an all-new carbon fiber infused composite shaft. Alongside the shaft, you can see our coil cable, and it's got sonar, power, and comms all in one, so you don't have to run a secondary cable for your sonar. On the shaft, you can see our all-new cam lock depth collar, and this is going to allow you to adjust the depth of the motor up and down with ease. Depending on your lower unit stow orientation, you can flip the depth collar around so it's always opening in the up position. Another cool feature we added were these finger holds on the bottom side of the head. These make stowing and deploying the motor that much easier. The LED on the head indicates when the prop is active or not. If you're an anchor and you're fighting a fish around the trolling motor, you can press the prop key on the remote to pause the mode and turn off the prop. This is going to keep you in the mode. Whenever you pause the prop, you'll see the LED on the head slowly pulse. After you get done fighting the fish, if you press the prop key again, it's going to take you back to the same anchored spot you were on previously. This is our all-new advanced wireless foot pedal that comes with all Recon freshwater trolling motors. This is a totally redesigned pedal. It's got our same fluid damper system from the Ghost foot pedal that offers a really natural feel and really lets you have precise control based on muscle memory. Some of the features of the advanced wireless foot pedal are our flip switch system that we took from the Ghost. You remove the center channel and these 2 Phillips screws, and you can flip the side that your momentary switch is on. On the upper side of the pedal, we've got 3 programmable keys here. We've also got an LED indicator. Whenever you first power on the foot pedal, it's going to give you an indication for your foot pedal battery level. When you connect the pedal to the trolling motor, you'll see a slow blue flash. This just indicates the foot pedal is powered on and connected. The pedal also comes with our lower key module right here. This module is removable from the underside of the pedal. Out of the box, it's going to steer the trolling motor left, right, and toggle the prop. And these keys are also programmable, just like on the top side. So both the FreeSteer remote, as well as your advanced wireless foot pedal, all have configurable key options. On your remote programmable keys, you're going to see 1 dot and 2 dot. These keys on the remote are programmable with a short and a long press. You can set the function of these keys from the remote itself, or from the app, and also from the MFD. To program the function of these keys from your display, select the Pages key. You're going to go to Settings, Autopilot, and down here you'll see Configure Trolling Motor Keys. Once it's pulled up, it's going to show you the pedal as well as the remote that's connected to your trolling motor. Starting with the pedal, select Configure. It's going to bring up a diagram of all the keys that are programmable. From here, you can see all the different functions that are available. You can do things such as mark waypoints, control your power poles, or even control the forward and down range of your ActiveTarget live sonar. Once you select these, you're just going to click Save. To configure these keys on the remote, it's going to be the same process. You'll select Remote, Configure. It's going to bring up a diagram and give you similar functionality. After you select what you want, you select Save, and you're ready to go.